In lesson 4.1, we're introduced to matrices. First, we'll determine if we can add or subtract matrices. Remember, a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns, where the numbers are called entries. The dimensions of a matrix are given by the number of rows, which goes across, by the number of columns, which goes up and down. Alright, let's determine if it is possible to add and subtract these matrices. So we're going to go ahead and try to add the first one. Okay, to add or subtract matrices, they must have the same dimensions. Since this one here is a 3 by 1 matrix, and this one here is a 1 by 3 matrix, you cannot add them. They have to have the same dimensions. These do not. Let's look at these two. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to subtract them. These two both are 2 by 3 matrices. They are able to be subtracted. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to write this red one here much bigger. And I'm going to put spaces. So 2, negative 1, 3, 0, negative 5, 4. And we'll leave room on the edge too. Now, I'm going to subtract this one by the corresponding numbers in the black matrix here. So I'm going to subtract the 0, subtract the 1, subtract the 3, subtract the other 3, subtract the negative 2, which is like adding a positive, and I'm going to subtract the negative 1, which is like adding a positive. Okay, let's go ahead and work this one out. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 4 plus 1 is 5. This is the answer to our matrix.